Good afternoon. Today we will see how to create quiz on Moodle. I am Nilesh Vijay Sabnis from Sanjay Godawat University, Kolhapur. Let's start. For that, initially click on this button, turn editing on. Once it on, you will observe there is a tab add an activity or resource. Click there. You will find the menu where search for quiz. Add the quiz, give the name, then see the settings carefully. Timing, we have to make it enable. Quiz will start 22nd April at this time. It will end on 22nd at 16:45. Time limit, let's say 45 minutes. Then go for the grades. Here make it 1 attempt. Layout every question. Question behavior, here it will be deferred feedback and review option. In the review option, first initially make it adaptive, then close all these points and again make it deferred, so that student will not get the answers when they submit the quiz. Or you can keep this as it is if you want to show the result at the when this time is over. When this time will be over, the answers and marks will be displayed. Then save and display. Here you will find no quiz questions have been added yet. So for that, click on edit quiz. Then you can add from here a new question. Here there are different options: multiple choice, true false, matching, short answer, etc. Click on multiple choice, add the question. Here Q1 will be the title. Here is the question text. Here answers will be there. Choice 1 A, let's say. If it is correct, give the 100%. Here 2 wrong answer, 3, 4, and save the changes. Your question will be added in the quiz. So you can have preview of the question. So your question is here. Close the preview. Like that, you have to add all the questions in the quiz. Here define the maximum grade, 30 marks. Alternatively, what you can do, you can create this question in the question bank. Here is the option quiz admin. Here you can find question bank is there. So here click on questions. Here you can add new question, same way what we did. And let's say there are 50 questions in your question bank. You can import these questions. Here is the option random question. Click there. So now presently there is only one question, so that if there are 50 questions in your question bank, it will select at random 30 questions and that will be present for the students. So like that you can create the quiz for our cat. Either by adding the questions in the question bank, it will be beneficial so that random questions can be added. The types of questions you can explore: multiple choice of question, fill in the blank type questions, match the pairs question. You can try it out. If there is any problem, contact me. Thank you very much.